This video, I will show you how you can get Facebook app installed in your PC or your laptop. In order to do that, you can use these two options to do that. The first one is that you go over to your Microsoft Store, and once you come over to your Microsoft Store, you can go ahead and type Facebook, and then you hit your enter. Now, the moment you have typed that, you can actually see that there are a whole lot of things here. You can see the particular one that we need. You just simply click on it, and then you click on get and get it installed in your PC. The moment it is done installing, you can just simply click on open, and then it will open up for you. You can see this is already opened in my PC. The second method you can use to achieve this is for you to go over to your browser. And once you come over to your browser, you just have to log into your Facebook app. And then the moment you have logged into your Facebook app, you can come over to this three dots area, then click on it, and then you move down to where we have cast, save and share. Then you click on install Facebook. This will get it installed in your PC for you, and you can see this also installed in your PC. These are just the two methods you can actually follow to get Facebook installed in your PC. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to this channel for more tips on this particular channel. Thank you.